Lelizwe lethu is built on lies, amanga on top of amanye amanga on top of amanye anama-layers. Understand ukuthi kwadlalwa ngathi they used us, nami ngayuzeka. Sanibonani, ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama, ngizophazamisa umsebenzi because abantu need to know the truth ukuthi they used us. Asiqale.
Ngomgo, awu, sikhulekele ekhaya ma. Igama lami uThemba, ngenza iseve, mama, seve yami kumele ngiyibhale like out, ngibangani. Nto 7 people. Alright, mom. Iy'ngane zona zingadli la ekhaya, iy'ngane. Children. Zu 6, ngizobhala people, mawami ngizobhala people. Alright, hayi, ngisho mama, igama lami uThemba, mama ngisebenzela uhulumeni, ngiyabonga kakhulu, ngisale kahle, ngiyabonga.
Ngathi lento ngikha phezulu kakhulu ngoba sengiqhamuka ngiyantshengisa how they were able to identify imizi, families that they will remove masebenza mining. Angiqale emuva, let's go back to the very beginning. La eSouth Africa we have 4 major political parties. Angithi, it's fine. Once upon a time, a long time ago, there was a great leader, a true hero yabantu abamnyama. One day decide ukuthi no, angibiza abantu abami abangilandelayo, ababeliever in my vision. Wama phambi kwabo wabatshena ukuthi no man, as the black community, it is time to rise up. Sifune iland that was stolen from abantu abamnyama a long time ago. Let's get back the land. And abantu bahlanya, abantu babona ukuthi no, ihero yethu isisisa phambili manje sesiya kwi-future. Amandla awethu yaqala movement. All the comrades came together, wetha umZulu, umTswana, umVenda. Everyone rallied around this great leader because ibithi let's get back the land expropriation without compensation. Suddenly, a very rare mineral was discovered in South Africa, and igama layo lithium. Yini lithium? We talked about this. Yaboni battery, lente phakathi kwi-battery that gives energy to the battery to power imoto, to power everything. That is lithium. Understand ukuthi suddenly sekuvuka ama-mine amaningi afuna to tap into those minerals. Mina nawe, we talked about this. I already told you ukuthi eMzumbe kwadiscover ilithium and eMzumbe yavuka imine ye-lithium. I told you ukuthi eLamonti kune-lithium ediscoverwe khona, eMobeni kune-lithium ediscoverwe khona, naseClearwood kune-lithium ediscoverwe khona. I already told you this. All of that is happening emuva, behind the scenes. Ngaphambili sibhizi. Land expropriation without compensation. Ungabaleki comrade, ungabaleki. Sibhizi. Kodwa emuva they are signing ama-deals that will affect you. Finally, after years of waiting, ngomhla ka-23 January 2025, our great leader, umuholi wethu, the hero yasemphakathini, uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa, decided to create the Expropriation Act number 13 of 2024. Lokho kusho ukuthi ugovernment usuyavuma ukuthi expropriate iland, but only makuzobhenefita uhulumeni wase-South Africa. Understand ukuthi the act gives the states legal authority to expropriate property in the public interest or for public purposes only. Wavele wajabula umuntu omnyama, that day sajabula. Oh Nkosi yami, understand. For some reason, they were able to make us think, basiconvince ukuthi lento yenzelwe ukubhenefitisa thina abantu abamnyama. I'm not against land expropriation without compensation. All I'm saying is ukuthi hlakanipha muntu omnyama and see the game. Yes. Abanye abantu, they see the game, kodwa abakwazi ukuyidlala. Abanye, they don't even know ukuthi the game exists. And so, they continue ukuba ama-puppets. Omunye umuntu uzothi no mina ngihlala eKZN, this doesn't affect me. Understand ukuthi uyisilima ke wena, because even in Limpopo kukhona imine ekuthiwa iVanberg mine. It is a Chinese owned mine ela eSouth Africa. Yes, but sikhulumile leyo ukuthi kwenzekani nge-G20. See, we talked about this. Understand ukuthi abantu bomphakathi bayakhala bathi akusatshaleki, awusakwazi ukuba ne-livestock because of le mine leli. Bayakhala ukuthi le mine iphazamisa even ama-ancestral burial grounds abo. Bayakhala abantu bomphakathi ukuthi le company ihamba behind people's backs iyokhuluma nama-certain individuals ukuthi abavume ukuhamba. It's a lot. As we speak, njengamanje, currently kunabantu eLimpopo that are losing iland yabo because iVanberg mine iyayithatha leyo land all in the name of development. Understand ukuthi the same act esignwe uPresident Ramaphosa yasignwa not to favor umuntu omnyama, but it allows the states ukuphuca abantu iland. Why? Because sekudiscover ilithium eSouth Africa. And understand, doesn't understand.